Hi everyone, this is Karima and you're welcome to my channel. So as I had got so many requests in my previous videos that please give some more ideas on home decor, wall decor. That's why today I'm going to show you how to make this very cute and unique style elephant showpiece with using waste cardboard. So let's get started. First, for making the base of the elephant, here I have already fussy cutted this template of elephant in the paper, and here I am just tracing this on cardboard and just cutting down this. So in the same way we need 6 layers. 2 layers I have just cut it down from the trunk side, and now I'm just adhering all these layers one by one, and the 2 layers which I have half cutted, I'm adding these layers in the center to give this little shape like so. So I have attached all. Now in the gap portion of the elephant trunk, I'm attaching this using the glue and taking these clutches and adding this in the trunk side where we attach the gap so that it will give this little sturdiness. Now allow to dry. So it's dry. Now I have also cut it down the waist part of the elephant. I'm just also attaching now. Now using my paper cutter, I'm just giving this little shape. So I'm just cutting down from the corners. Now I'm taking here this masking tape, or what you call this paper tape. If you don't have this, you can also add a tissue paper plus glue plus water mixture to this. I'm just adding this to all the corners. So it's like looking like this. Now I'm taking this clay. This is actually wall putty clay. I have just added the wall putty and water inside this. Nothing additional I have added. Here I have just created this little tight dough. So I am adding little glue and little water and just attaching this, and using my fingers I'm just shaping this. No additional clay tools here I'm using here. Only using my hands and brush to use this or to attach this in small portions like here you see. Here I'm just filling down this whole elephant. So if you don't have this clay, you can also use Shilpkar clay or any other clay, Sakura clay, any other clay, or you can also use MC. Now I'm just smoothing this using my fingers, adding little water and just smoothing this so that it will give little clean body shape. Now here I am adhering this ears like so, and it's dry now. It's very solid, perfectly dried. I have just kept it down overnight. Now I'm taking these Fabrica metallic colors from the brand Camlin. Here I'm taking the bronze one color and I'm adding this to all over the elephant. These are very shiny pearl colors, metallic colors, and it gives very nice shine to the elephant showpiece. Just adding this. In the ear portion I'm going to add the golden color. Now I'm going to give this little twist. For that I'm going to create the Malaysian flowers. For this I'm taking one strip of red and half strip of purple, and the strip here I'm using is 5 mm, and length of the strip is 29 centimeters. So just attaching this. Here I have created a tight coil, then loose the coil, then just bend it and created these Malaysian flower petals, and also wrapped this using half strip of purple. Now attaching all these. And for the red one I have just added the 6 petals here, and for the orange ones I have just added the 5 layers here. And then in the eye portion I'm adding the pearls so that it looks little nice. That's why here I have added these. Now here I'm attaching these flowers. You can also add your own design combinations of colors here. Now adding the scrolls here and there. The scrolls I have created using 1/4 strip of green, and also I had created a half strip of leaves. Now I'm taking this glitter gel glitter and I'm adding these in the golden portion ears. Now here I have cut it down the glitter foam sheets nails. I'm adding this in the foot portion, in the leg portion. Now to give this little finishing look, I'm taking here this clear synthetic resin varnish I'm adding this all over the elephant showpiece, and also adding this in the flowers. So what reason I'm adding this? So that it will give the elephant showpiece little finishing touch and give this little and just seal all our artwork. That's why I'm adding this. Just complete it. Now allow it to dry. So the beautiful and very cute unique style elephant showpiece is ready. So isn't it a great idea to reuse the cardboard in this? You will see how this shine perfectly. So my project is done. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe my channel for more innovative ideas. Thanks for watching. I will be back again with another craft inspiration. Until then, bye bye.